Have you ever laid eyes on a piece of jewelry so fierce, so hypnotic, it seemed to purr with power? That's the Cartier Panthère Collection. Bold, elegant, and wrapped in the mystique of a wild feline. But have you ever wondered how this iconic collection is actually made? Who breathes life into its emerald eyes? Who sculpts its sleek body in gold and diamond armor? Today, we're stepping inside Cartier's most secretive workshops to uncover how the Panthère Collection comes alive. Get ready. What you're about to see is as seductive as the Panther herself. Today, we go inside the Cartier ateliers to uncover how the Panthère Collection is created and why this feline has captivated the world for over a century. Stick around until the end of the video, and we'll dive into the top 10 best secrets about the Cartier Panthère Collection. Let's begin. Let's rewind to the 1910s. Louis Cartier meets a woman named Jean Toussaint. She's sharp, stylish, and has a thing for panthers. So much so, they nickname her La Panthere. When she becomes Cartier's creative director on high jewelry in 1933, she introduces the panther motif, mysterious, feminine, and powerful. The first Panthère design appears on a wristwatch in 1914, using onyx and diamonds to imitate the animal's coat. Little did anyone know, a jewelry empire was being born. It all starts in Cartier's design studios in Paris. Master designers don't just sketch jewelry, they sketch an attitude. The panther must be seductive, sleek, and ready to pounce. Every curve of her back, every tilt of her head, every sparkle in her eyes is drawn with anatomical precision. This isn't your average kitty cat. This is a beast of desire. For many pieces, over 50 sketches are made just to capture one pose. Once the pose is finalized, 3D models are created using wax or computer rendering. But here's the twist. The panther must look lifelike from every angle. That means sculpting the cat's tension, elegance, and grace, even if it's just the size of a fingertip. Only the most skilled modelers are trusted with this step. From wax model to precious metal, this is where things get wild. Cartier uses the ancient lost wax casting method to turn the wax panther into solid gold or platinum. Think of it like making a golden sculpture inside a shell of clay. The wax melts, the gold pours in, and boom, a panther is born. But don't think it ends there. Each panther is then hand sculpted and chiseled, refining the lines of the muscles, the curve of the tail, and the angle of the claws. A single panther ring can take more than 200 hours of work just in metal shaping alone. No detail is too small. Even the panther's teeth are carved individually in miniature. Those iconic black spots? They're not painted. They're masterfully inlaid onyx stones, each one carved by hand to fit perfectly into the panther's body. In some designs, sapphires or diamonds replace onyx for a more radiant finish. It's like assembling a mosaic of luxury, one precious tile at a time. Artisans use microscopes to place each gem, aligning them with feline grace. Some pieces feature hundreds of these stones, and even the slightest misalignment can ruin the illusion. This is meticulous work, done with tweezers, a loop, and nerves of steel. Now we get to the soul of the panther, her eyes. Typically crafted from emeralds or savorites, the eyes must not only match in size and cut, but also in color, down to the microscopic shade. Cartier's gemologists comb through thousands of stones to find a matching pair. Why emerald? Because it gives the panther a hypnotic, otherworldly gaze. It doesn't just stare, it captivates. The eyes are the final step in the jewelry creation process. Once they're set, the panther is said to come alive. A Cartier Panthere is never just finished, she's perfected. Each piece undergoes multiple rounds of hand polishing to achieve that seductive shine. Gold is buffed until it glows. Gemstones are cleaned until they gleam like ice. If the panther is part of a bracelet or necklace, gold links are handcrafted and assembled around the panther to ensure perfect articulation and fluidity. Each hinge is tested for balance and comfort. It must pounce gracefully. But Cartier adds one more layer, tactile polish. That's right, the piece must feel luxurious when touched. Run your fingers along a Panthere bracelet and you'll feel smoothness, warmth, and softness, a caress of wealth. This is jewelry you experience with all 5 senses. Diamond settings in the Panthère collection use a technique called pave setting. Tiny beads of metal are pushed over the edge of each stone to hold it in place. It takes an average of 30 hours just to set one ring. In some pieces, Cartier mixes white diamonds with champagne diamonds to give a more fur-like texture. And if you thought the spots and eyes were hard, imagine setting diamonds on curved surfaces without breaking symmetry. It's a dance of geometry and guts. Cartier's master jewelers now assemble the final piece. Whether it's a bangle, necklace, or watch, the Panther must sit perfectly. Hinges are tested. Clasps are adjusted. Flexibility is built into bracelets so they move with the body, like a feline stretching along your wrist. Before it earns the Cartier name, Cartier's experts check for symmetry, polish, gem security, and wearability. Even the back of the piece, often unseen, must be flawless. A serial number is engraved, and the piece is signed with the Cartier hallmark. Only then is it boxed in that iconic red leather case. The Panther isn't just a pretty motif. It represents femininity, freedom, independence, and strength. Whether it's wrapped around your finger or stalking across a pendant, the Cartier Panthere makes a statement. It's been worn by royals, rebels, and icons. Grace Kelly, Rihanna, Zendaya, even Madonna. To wear the Panther is to wear a legacy of power and provocation. Each wearer is seen not just as a customer, but a continuation of the Panther's spirit. Powerful, untamed, and seductive. It's not just jewelry, it's a statement. When you wear Cartier Panthere, you're not accessorizing, you're commanding. Over the years, the Panther has taken many forms, from full figurative designs to abstract silhouettes, from high jewelry masterpieces to sleek watches. Cartier reinvents the Panther constantly, not just in form, but in feeling. From classic yellow gold to edgy ceramic, from statuesque brooches to minimalist rings, the Panther adapts without ever losing her primal allure. Collectors hunt limited editions, vintage designs, and rare color combinations. A Panther ring from the 1980s might fetch six figures at auction, because this isn't just jewelry, it's history. In recent years, Cartier has introduced articulated Panthers, flexible, jointed designs that slink around your wrist or neck like they're alive. Technology meets craftsmanship in these kinetic marvels. You don't wear them, they wear you. Now we'll dive into the top 10 best secrets about the Cartier Panthere Collection. Secret number 1. Did you know the first Panther ever used by Cartier appeared in a painting? In 1914, Louis Cartier commissioned artist Georges Barbier to create Dame à la Panthère, an illustration that sparked the feline obsession that still defines the brand today. Number 2. Did you know each Panther eye is aligned under a microscope to mimic a real predator's gaze? The placement of the eyes is so precise, it gives the illusion the Panther is watching you. Secret number 3. Did you know Jeanne Toussaint, the woman who shaped the Panther, was arrested during World War II? She bravely collaborated with the French resistance and still returned to Cartier to continue her creative reign. Number 4. Did you know it can take over 400 hours to craft a single Panther bracelet? Between sculpting, stone setting, enameling, and polishing, the process is painstakingly artisanal. Secret number 5. Did you know Cartier has a dedicated archive room for Panther designs? Every concept, sketch, and prototype is stored in a temperature-controlled vault in Paris. Number 6. Did you know that real panthers were studied at the Paris Zoo to inform early Panther designs? Cartier designers wanted to capture feline anatomy with scientific accuracy. Secret number 7. Did you know no two Panther pieces are exactly alike? Because each is handcrafted, the positioning of spots, eyes, and posture varies ever so slightly. Number 8. Did you know the Duchess of Windsor owned 9 different Panther pieces? She was so obsessed, she practically helped launch the collection into legend. Secret number 9. Did you know Cartier uses recycled gold in its Panther line? In recent years, Cartier has committed to sustainability, reusing precious metals without compromising quality. And here we go with secret number 10. Did you know there is a secret Cartier Panthere high jewelry salon in Paris? Reserved for top clients, it's where the rarest Panther masterpieces are previewed before they ever hit the runway. The Cartier Panthere isn't just a jewel, It's a legacy of elegance, rebellion, and craftsmanship. From the sketchbook of Jean Toussaint to the wrists of modern-day icons, this feline has prowled its way into the history of luxury. Now that you know how it's made, what it symbolizes, and what secrets it hides, would you wear one? Tell us in the comments. And if you love this journey through Cartier's most iconic creation, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Until next time, stay bold, stay brilliant.